Hi, my name is Curtis Harrell. I'm a financial advisor here with Advantage Retirement Group, and today I'm going to be reviewing a software that we use called eMoney. I always say eMoney is really two things for the client. One, it's your one-stop shop to see all of your accounts in one place. We meet with clients all the time. They have their whole life written down either in an Excel spreadsheet or a piece of paper. eMoney really takes away all of that and allows you to link every single account, your bank accounts, your 401ks, all of your brokerage accounts into one area. And then us, as the advisor, we're able to take all that information, look at things like your income, your expenses, and then build out all the what ifs in your life. We call them the what ifs because, what if you want to retire early? What if you want to spend more in retirement? What if you need life insurance? These are all things that as an advisor, we want to make sure we have a scenario for each one of those so we're not reacting, we have the plans already in place. I met with a client recently and there was a scenario where there was a large age gap between her husband and her. And we wanted to look and say, hey, we want to take a plan that looked like there wasn't a good chance of survival because she wasn't going to be receiving, his pension payments, maybe a Social Security at that time. We're able to take that, supplement the income in our plan, and have a nice happy ending for her. We always tell clients we want to spend with confidence. eMoney gives us that confidence for our clients.